Once you get her all cleaned up there nice and pretty, you can, get you one of these fancy new flywheel disc thingy-ronies there. Let's see how much thicker it is than that one. That old one wasn't that bad. There's plenty of that. It's not even down to the rivets yet. It's getting kind of close though. There's a little bit left on there, but look at the edge where the brake fluid, burned up brake fluid got on there. And it's kind of on the other side too. So it's a little contaminated. You should see the old slave cylinder. It's all melted and a lot of pieces are missing from it. But yeah, there's a little bit more distance there to get down to those rivets. I say it's not hitting any of them. But yeah, that thing's really loaded up with brake fluid. So we'll put a new pretty one on there. It's the 11-inch. A whole lot of heavy stuff in here. The rocks. My new rock collection, I started in a rock wall thing. Yeah, let's check this out. This is what went bad in it. Slave cylinder. It's got that new funky end with a clip on it. I guess it'll be alright. Got the fancy tool for taking the old one off. Good luck. New bushing in there. Oh, and I got this power torque. I got this from O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's got a safety chain on it and everything. I mean, it's like, let's see if I can get the lid off of it here. It's a bunch of parts. I got to put it all together yet, but weighs about 50 pounds, so I think it's going to be, I don't know if I can get it out of here. Blue, I can tell you that. It's a nice blue color. Oh, there it is. Oh, wow, there's not too many parts to put on there, just the top rails and all the chains and hooks and stuff. And this, I guess, goes through the... There, I think there's a pin that goes through there. I don't know, there's directions and stuff probably. I might look for them. Oh, here they are. Yeah, whatever. I got a picture, that's all I need right there. See it? There's my directions. I got a picture. See, it's just like I said, there's a pin through there. That's the swivel part here. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory actually. Just like a clutch. Look, here's the old one. There's the new one. There's bolts down there and stuff. Yeah. Be alright. That holds the back of the transmission in, I'm pretty sure. So we got that there. I don't think I need a new one of those. And then, yeah, we get that thing back in here, load all these rocks back up and haul them somewhere.